Hey guys, I made carrot boxes. These are great to add to an Easter basket or an egg hunt. I formed a cone with a sheet of cardstock. I used a bangle bracelet as a guide to trim it. I also used it to make the cone's cover. Make a hole in the center of the circle and set it aside. I used green crepe paper for the stem. Cut slits and roll it. Then twist the bottom. I covered the circle with streamer and remade my hole. Add the twisted part through the hole and glue it. Then fill the carrot. I glue the circle to the cone. Add glue around the cone and wrap it with streamer. Leave extra streamer at the top. Cut slits and glue the extra streamer down. And here's how they turned out.